Go.
Magandang araw, Santa Cruz. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Regional Schools Press Conference 2025 ng Davao Region, kung saan kasalukuyang natalakay ang papel ng teknolohiya sa pagsagot ng learning gaps sa makabagong pagkatuto.
7 very important reasons why technology can really bridge learning gaps. One is because it has what we call personalized learning. So meaning it is tailor-made to each and every individual according to your level, according to your capability, whether you are schooling or you are enrolled in a regular school, or whether you are part of what we call special curriculum. So this is what we call personalized learning. Then second is the access to resources. We already know that there are a lot of websites where we can get those different information that we need. And there are educational videos, tutorials, interactive simulations, and forums. This broadens students' opportunities to learn, unlike the traditional classroom wherein we are limited to what we can get from our teachers and from the traditional